What is an asset? An asset is something that you own that is expected to positively impact your cash flow in the future. You may purchase it now with the expectation of selling it for a higher value at another time. There are four main asset categories. First, current or short-term assets. These are assets that are expected to turn around cash within a year. This may be cash or inventory if you're a business. Secondly, we have fixed or long-term assets like equipment, buildings. These are expected to turn around in greater than a 1-year period. It may be also your home as an individual. Thirdly, we have financial assets. These include stocks, bonds, and securities. And fourthly, there are intangible assets. These are your patents, trademarks, goodwill, who you are, your personal brand, or intellectual property. And of course, as we're talking about assets, we can't leave out liabilities. So what is a liability? A liability is what you owe to someone else or to an entity. Maybe a personal loan or a loan from an institution. There are two main liability categories. First, short-term or current liabilities. These are expected to be repaid within a 1-year period. Secondly, there are long-term liabilities, which are to be repaid over a longer period of time. These may be mortgages or auto loans. Any debt that you have incurred that requires more than a year for repayment.